This is the sound that ends marriages. Not screaming, not slamming doors, just this. What starts as a joke, haha, you sound like a chainsaw, slowly becomes a biological weapon. By the time most couples realize what's happening, it's already too late. Today, we're going to war. A war being fought in bedrooms across the world every night, with never-before-seen case studies, shocking neuroscience, and the untold story of how modern medicine failed to protect our relationships from this silent killer. The sleep divorce epidemic. Clinical psychologists now recognize 3 distinct phases in what they call Snoring Divorce Syndrome. Phase 1. The honeymoon period. It begins playfully, the elbow nudge, the recorded snoring played at breakfast. But beneath the laughter, something dangerous is happening. A 2023 Johns Hopkins study proved that just one night of interrupted sleep from snoring reduces emotional empathy by 37%, increases hostility markers by 28%, creates false memories of relationship neglect. Case study number 1. The CEO who couldn't stay awake at his own wedding. Michael, a 42-year-old tech executive, didn't realize his snoring had become weaponized until he saw the wedding photos. In every picture, she's glaring at me. I was asleep standing up during our first dance. His wife's brain scan revealed terrifying truth. The sound of Michael's breathing now triggered the same neural response as hearing a predator in the dark. The Gottman Institute's groundbreaking snoring resentment study tracked 500 couples for 5 years. Their findings? Every snoring interruption adds points to an invisible scoreboard, 1 to 5 interruptions per night. Mild annoyance. 6 to 15. Active fantasizing about smothering. 15 plus, 89% chance of separation within 2 years. Case study number 2. The professor who solved his marriage with math. Dr. Evan Richardson, a Cambridge mathematician, created an equation predicting exactly when his snoring would destroy his marriage. When my formula hit 78%, I checked into a sleep clinic the next day. Saved our marriage. The 3 stages of snoring warfare. Stage 1, the Cold War. Just like the Cold War, this phase is characterized by secret recordings of snoring for evidence, covert Google searches, can you divorce for snoring, the Great Pillow Wall construction. Case study number 3, the CIA agent who used counterterrorism tactics. Former operative Daniel R. applied surveillance techniques to his snoring crisis, installed decibel monitoring apps, created snore pattern heat maps, conducted 3 a.m. interrogations of his sleeping self. Stage 2, the arms race. The global anti-snoring industry is now worth $32 billion. But does any of it work? The failed solutions archive. Nasal strips. Like putting a Band-Aid on a gunshot wound. Sleep, Dr. Alvarez. Chin straps. 62% of users report feeling like hostages. Journal of Sleep Medicine. Smart. Pillows. Just created new arguments about Wi-Fi signals. Tech failures report. There are, however, real solutions that work. Links in the description. Case study number 4. The billionaire who bought silence. Silicon Valley CEO Marcus K. spent $847,000 trying to cure his snoring, including a vibration-sensitive bed that ejected him when snoring, a $12,000 Nor vaccine from Switzerland, AI-powered earplugs that shocked his wife when she snored. How to win the snoring war. These battlefield-tested techniques have 83% success rate in saving relationships. Tactic number 1. The Israeli Commando Power Nap. 20-minute naps at 1600 hours reduce nighttime snoring by 41%. Tactic number 2. Tibetan monk humming. Low-frequency vibrations strengthen the soft palate. Case study number 5. The marriage saved by war. After 3 tours in Afghanistan, Sergeant Tom's TSD snoring was destroying his marriage. Then his wife discovered an unexpected solution. The same vibration therapy used to treat shell shock reduced his snoring from 72 decibels to 38 decibels in 6 weeks. The future of snoring wars. With sleep deprivation increasing 400% since 2010, family lawyers are bracing for what they call the Great Snoring Divorce Wave of 2027 to 2030. Case study number 6, the first AI marriage counselor. ChatGPT-7 now handles 34% of snoring-related marriage disputes with eerie effectiveness. After 2 years of filming this documentary, my wife and I finally solved our own snoring war. The secret wasn't technology or surgery. It was realizing that love isn't measured in decibels, but in the willingness to fight for each other's sleep. If you would like to learn more about how to stop snoring naturally, click the link in the description.